Ethereum price prediction for April 19th, 2023. This is Peer-to-Peer Trades. Hello and welcome to Peer-to-Peer Trades. I'm your host, JT. This is the channel where you come for fundamental and technical analysis on your favorite cryptocurrencies. If you're not already subscribed, I invite you to hit the subscribe button down below. We upload when we want to. I want to talk about Ethereum. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and dive into the charts here. Taking a look at Ethereum on the Bitcoin pair. Well, why the Bitcoin pair? Why the Bitcoin pair? Basically just because it was up on my screen here. So on the Bitcoin comparative, this structure does look distributional to me, but with any alternative currency pair using the Wyckoff method, come on, give me my pen tool. With any alternative currency pair using the Wyckoff method, you have to give it a little bit of leeway. You should treat this more like a Forex chart. Don't treat it like a stock chart. But here are the facts. Here are what we're looking at right now. It is still in a downtrend. We are making lower highs on the price of Ethereum. Now, this reaction here is looking bullish. The dollar pair looks bullish. So can we break out and break past some of these highs on the Bitcoin pair? It's possible. It's possible and even plausible. But until we have the facts in the charts, we need to assume that lower levels are coming for Ethereum on the Bitcoin comparative. I want to make that very clear. We're talking about the Bitcoin comparative. This chart can print red candles while Ethereum price goes up. If you're new, this is strictly the performance of Ethereum when compared to the performance of Bitcoin. You can print red candles on this chart indicating that it is going down, even though the price of Ethereum is going up. Don't want to dwell on that too much. Let's get into the dollar pair. Dollar pair looks great. Dollar pair is a lot more of a bullish chart. Let's break this down. Let's actually start over. I'm going to go to the 3-day chart here for Ethereum. We are sitting on top of the 7 simple moving average for Ethereum. Beautiful, beautiful area. If we do, I really like the 3-day chart for Bitcoin and even Ethereum. It's performing quite well. If you can stay on top of that 7, which if you're on the daily chart, you're looking at the 21 moving average, the 21-day average. But on the 3-day chart, you know, we got a lot of data. I want to get those candles a little bit bigger. If we can stay on top of the 7, we're in a bullish trend. Okay, and we have been staying on top of the 7, holding it as support for a good amount of time here. Since we had this little pump back up, we have been holding it as support for 2 weeks. So looking good. Area of retest would be around 1962, which would be a retest of the 7 on the 3-day chart. It's likely. It's possible. But let's kind of break down the support and resistance points of important note here. Let's actually go to a longer chart, get some more data. This is the BitGet chart. Links below if you aren't already set up on BitGet. It's a newer exchange. It's got everything, like everything. But we need an older chart. So let's go to Bitcoin on Binance. And by Bitcoin, of course, I mean Ethereum. Excuse me, I got a little bit of a scratchy throat. It's getting over a little bit of a cold, so I don't know, maybe you think that it's a good, sexy, throaty voice, or maybe I just sound like I've got a bunch of snot in my throat. It's up to you how you want to interpret that. But let's go ahead and bring it back here to kind of the preliminary supply level. We have a very similar level here on Bitcoin, where we have this very, very long-term, multi-year support/resistance flip area. You can see that it kind of dips below a few times, but this was the first area of resistance when the bull market initiated back in 2020, 2021. Okay, so the 2021 is really when the bull market started to take shape and suck in new users. But yeah, this was the first kind of major resistance point right at around $1,800. We got past that. That's when things got really over exuberant, tested it as support once, twice, 3 times, even 4 times, flashing a green diamond buy here. And then a lot of consolidation and digestion again at that $1,800 level. It's surprising to me that it's not the $2,000 level that we struggle with. It's the $1,800 level here that we're struggling with the price of Ethereum. Now, when we look at present day and kind of the local consolidation, we've already had our capitulation. The market has already given up on cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a scam. You're an idiot for buying it. All that same shit that never changes. All of that is taking place, and we are seeing higher lows throughout this consolidation. And this most recent move is quite a bullish candle of about nearly 10%, breaking past that $1,800 resistance, and now looking for some sort of consolidation or maybe just a retest and continuation to the upside. If we do get cooperation on the Bitcoin side, I would not be surprised to see this rally to 2,500, 3,000. I wouldn't be surprised to see it go all the way to $3,500 in the short to medium term. And boy, oh boy, will the ETH staking maxis be loud and obnoxious on Twitter at that point. But hey, you know, it's not like the Bitcoin maxis aren't loud and annoying as well. We all have our tribes to defend. But yeah, there's really not a lot holding it back. There's a little bit of resistance here at around 2,500, kind of a psychological level. But when you look at this capitulation level, there's nothing holding us back. We've got pretty free reign as long as demand, as long as we're seeing order books that are heavy on the demand side. We're going to burn through those order books and get to some pretty significant levels, I think. Now, we need Bitcoin to cooperate. This would correlate with Bitcoin at around $40,000, $45,000, $50,000. And we need retail to come in. We need people to FOMO in and think that they're missing the next big bull run in crypto. So that's what I'm listening to as far as the narrative. That's what I'm wanting to see as far as the chart. If you agree with me, let me know your thoughts down below. If you disagree with me, go fuck yourself. Sorry, anger management, working on it. But yeah, that's what I'm seeing in the charts. Let me know your thoughts below. If this is your first time to the channel, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you are up to date. We are potentially entering a very bullish market environment. You're going to need your TA to come when it arrives. When I launch a video, you're going to want to see that video pop up on your feed in chronological order in a timely fashion. So I have noticed based on some of the YouTube comments that people are getting their videos kind of delayed, or they're missing videos, or they're getting them in a different order. Very interesting to me how the YouTube algorithm works, but if you hit the bell notification, that should straighten things out. Maybe not. I don't know. I don't work for YouTube. Anyways, that is all I got. This has been Peer-to-Peer Trades.